Hello. Wow, we got audio. What's up, everybody? How are you guys doing? So the last video I uploaded, we were in Ventura on the beaches of California, and a couple weeks have passed since we were there. And you know, that night, actually the day after that last video, was when the massive flooding happened in Montecito.
Turn around! The flash flood's right there! The flash flood's right there! Get out of here! Go! Oh my God, Mom! Close the door!
We're actually up in Santa Barbara for 3 days for work, and we were basically stranded. We drove up from Ventura to Santa Barbara, which is about a 30-minute drive. That stretch of Highway 101 in California was completely blocked off because of the mudslides. And you guys, if you're in the US and you watch the news, you would have known by now it was a pretty serious event. I want to say something like 20-ish people lost their lives in that mudslide, and lots of homes lost. It's been a pretty devastating season, including the fire and then the rain and the mudslides. When we left Santa Barbara, we actually had to drive up and over back down to Los Angeles, and that took us an extra 4 hours. But you know, that's just the way it is. They could have worked, and people were complaining about how the roads weren't open, but the reality is all the emergency workers were busy trying to find survivors, and it's better that they spend their time doing that than trying to open the road back up, you know, given that there was an alternative, even if it takes a few extra hours. So we left there and went to Joshua Tree for a few days, and then ended up here where we are now, just north of Phoenix in Arizona. We're staying at a friend's place in this little community called Cave Creek. If you look at Phoenix, it's where Interstate 10, which goes west to east, and then the highway that goes north-south is 17. It's in the northeast quadrant, all the way to the corner of the greater Phoenix metropolitan area. It's a really cool community. Our friends have a little over an acre of land, and they have a whole bunch of animals. And we're just camping in their front yard. And let me show you some of these animals.
Whoa.
Are they doing good on poop duty?
They're doing good. Hold on. Okay, put it in the bucket. It's okay.
You made 3 piles of poop? Good job. What are you going to do with all this poop?
Mama said she'll give us candy once we're done.
Yeah. Wow.
But that candy does not...
Is it candy? When you say candy, is that like code word for donkey poop?
No. You need to put it more down.
Let's go in the pen. Let's go in the donkey pen. There's... I forget these donkeys' names. Do you remember? Black one's named Pope.
The white one's named Gabriel, and the big one's named Tallulah.
Tallulah, okay. So there's one full-size donkey. His name is Tallulah. And then there are 2 miniature donkeys. Gabriel, which is the white one, right there. And then the black one's name's Pope. They're super nice, but they're eating right now, so we're not gonna go pet them. Where are we? Oh, Pope's coming to say hi. Hi, buddy. I'm not gonna take your food. Okay. All right, let's go see some of the other animals. All right, Luca's gonna give us a tour of this little farm.
So this is where the donkeys go.
Those are the donkeys, and they have 3 donkeys.
And then these are where the dogs go.
Now this is the outdoor dog area. They have a doggy door that goes in. This is the sweetest dog ever. He's about 16 years old. He was a rescue. He was pretty abused by the previous owner, but our friend Brittany took him in several years ago now, and he is the sweetest thing. But he does look scary, and he's all muscle. But he will not hurt anybody. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Hi. Come here, baby.
Okay, this is the dog cage.
Okay, this is where the dog can come outside through their doggy door.
And this is the friend's house.
This is our friend's house. Okay. They have a little bridge.
Yeah. And those fish
There's
on
two
it.
bridges.
If you go right here and then look, you can see little fish and orange and yellow fish. Look at it.
They're down under the bridge.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right. They're right there.
I know you can.
They're hiding under the bridge during the day.
You can't really see them.
You can't really see them.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, this little goat, so.
Here's the goats.
Yeah. Oh,
Hi, goats.
once they escaped,
Yeah.
then they were all over this, and then we have to grab some and then just shake it.
They escaped?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
There's seven.
Are they fun to feed? Let's try feeding some.
Yeah. Okay.
Here, buddy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay, look.
So this puppy's life's goal is to protect these goats. And in fact, he prefers to live in here, huh? Doesn't he?
Yeah.
He lives in here with the goats.
Hey,
buddy.
And he's just
Hey,
a
buddy.
baby.
He's just a baby, but he's huge. He looks like a polar bear.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
Okay. This is the goat.
Okay.
This is the goat.
Okay.
And these are the pigs. Sometimes we feed them squash and sometimes zucchini squash.
Oh yeah. Hi, piggy. Oink, oink.
And here's the zucchini squash.
Zucchini squash.
Yeah.
That's what they're gonna eat today.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Okay. Now here's the chickens. And then sometimes they lay eggs. Sometimes in the middle. Sometimes close to down. Sometimes all the way over there.
Okay. There's more chickens.
And those roosters in this one and in this one. And
Ducks?
this one.
What about the ducks?
Yeah,
And more chickens.
yeah.
Oh, there was one in there laying eggs. Scared him.
And one was back there.
Yeah. I think we spooked that one a little bit.
Yeah. That actually scared me too.
Is that the tour? How about let's go look at their Airstream?
Oh yeah. And then let's move on to the toys.
The toys?
Yeah.
Come here. Let's look at the Airstreams.
Okay. Just to tell you, this is not theirs. This is mine. I just winged it here.
Okay. Okay. So we met Chris and Brittany through Instagram, basically from our mutual preference for Airstreams. So they have a
And he's taking
60s Airstream that they're redoing.
yeah. And they're fixing it. Now let's move on to the toys.
Okay, that's all of the Airstream. Well, I'm going to show the Airstream a little bit.
Yeah.
This is a land yacht, Overlander land yacht, and they're in the process of gutting it right now. Are you going inside? No, don't go inside. There's a lot of stuff.
Nails and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's move on to the toys.
Okay.
Please?
Luca really wants to show you guys the toys. That's the dump truck.
And here's another one.
Another dump truck.
And this is the car.
They have a 3-year-old boy named Arlington.
Yeah.
He's got all these dump trucks.
Yeah. Wait.
Now show us the funnest toy of all.
No. No.
Not yet?
No.
Where's he going? You used to have one of these, remember?
Yeah, when I was like 3.
Yeah?
And you literally have to use your feet.
Like the Flintstones.
Yeah. And there's even a key.
There's even a key.
And a locker. And you could even close the door.
You can even put gas in it.
Oh, I didn't know that. and you could even lock it.
You can even lock it, just in case somebody tries to steal it.
Look it.
Now you're stuck in there.
Try to open it.
It doesn't open.
Now, if I do it now try.
It opens. It has a lock.
I unlocked it. Okay, now the fun's toy of all.
The funnest toy of all. Is it charged? Look at things. This is the funnest toy of all. Well, Chris just charged it. So let's not drive it yet. Let's drive it later.
So this is the tractor, and if you push this gas pedal.
Whoa! Okay, let's not burn out the battery already.
And if you push it forward to hold, it backs
It goes
up.
in reverse. Cool. That is the funnest toy of all. You guys were driving this all around yesterday.
And
Burn up the entire battery. And
some could sit right here, and someone could push them.
okay, so this one doesn't drive by itself either. Whoa, it makes a sound.
Yeah, and it even does this. This one for the wasting thing, and this one for honking.
Cool, baby. Thank you for giving us a tour. Another puppy. Another puppy. Hi, baby. This one is also so sweet. She's deaf and pretty dumb, but that makes for a really sweet puppy. Okay, baby. These guys produce all this poop. Chris, how long do you think it took for them to make all this poop? Just like a couple days? 2 days? Yeah. 2 days worth of poop. That's probably 20 pounds worth, maybe? So there you go. That's a little tour of our friend's little minimalist farm. If you want to check out what she's doing, she's got a Instagram account. I believe it's called Minimalist Farm. Let me check. Yeah, Minimalist Farm. Go check her out. Give her a follow at Minimalist Farm on Instagram. For the most part, all the animals are like rescues.
Yeah, like one donkey Pope was going to be sold for hamburger meat to Mexico.
That's the black one.
Yeah, dark
right?
brown little guy. And the other, Gabriel, I think his owner died.
That's the white one.
So he plays catch and everything and hugs.
So they didn't come from the same person,
No.
even though they're both miniature donkeys.
And I think the large one, which is
Tallulah.
skittish one, was either abused or kind of abandoned in her barn where she didn't go out, or he didn't go outside.
Yeah.
So that's why it's hard to gain the trust of that one.
Right, and it's kind of scared. If you move too fast or get too close, it
Yeah.
flinches.
So yeah.
But they're doing a lot better than they were.
Yeah, it's like to gain a trust of like the big one who's like abused, for
Yeah.
that donkey to walk up to me and let me like slowly pet it.
Yeah, that's hard work.
That's a good feeling.
They want their candy now from doing their poop scooping chore. It's a really great farm. Chris and Brittany are both vegetarians, but you know, they have no issues with other people eating meat. It's just what they've chosen. And they've chosen to spend their own money, their own lives, helping these animals in any way that they can, so, which I think is awesome. I mean, I'm personally a meat eater, but I definitely appreciate people that have passion for stuff like this. Thanks for watching this episode. We'll be in Phoenix probably for a couple more days, and then we'll move on to the next spot. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a like, give me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do you want them to subscribe or like or comment?
I want them to subscribe to dislike.
You want them to dislike? Oh no! What do you think, Ava? Alright. See you later. Alright, buck 110. Is this a buck 110? It's a buck 110. I've got a package here that we have shipped to our friend's place. Man, this knife's really sharp. Here it is. This is the new WeBoost Drive Sleek. Just got this. Oh yeah. Really cool. If you guys don't know what this is a cell phone booster. And cell phone boosters are one of the most important things we use on the road. This is one of their newest models. But anyways, I just want to open this on camera, show you what's inside. This is the cradle. It's got one of these magnetic mounting things. Really cool. Antenna. What's this? This is another antenna? Maybe this is the patch antenna. So one goes on the outside, one goes on the inside. And then car adapter. That's it. There'll be another video where I talk more in depth about this and give you guys a little hands-on review. But Wilson, actually not Wilson, it used to be called Wilson, now it's called WeBoost Drive Sleek Vehicle Signal Booster Kit. Really excited. Okay, see you later.